What's going on, everyone? It's Matthew here at Barn Fresh Classics. You can check us out online at barnfreshclassics.com, see all the inventory we have to offer. You can also check us out on Facebook, and Facebook is the best way to see updated inventory, as we always do list there first. So today we have a beautiful 1967 Chevy Chevelle. It is a true factory SS, 138 code SS. It's got a 396, it's a 69 396, and it's matched to a Muncie M22 rock crusher 4-speed with console, clock, bucket seats, the whole 9 yards. It is a beautiful, beautiful car. Body is straight, no rust, no blisters. The underneath you can eat off of. So wherever you do see this video, you will see pictures of it up on the lift. The floors are absolutely beautiful. It does have a few blemishes here and there. It does have a couple little blemishes in the hood here. And it does have a couple stone chips here and there that have been touched up. But again, nothing major. The body is still absolutely beautiful. It's done up in Granada Gold, which is actually a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Chrome and stainless, all in beautiful shape. Laser straight down the sides, guys, you can see there. You know, nice and flat paint, really nice. Again, stone chips here and there. We call that a driver, but it does present very well. It is a beautiful car. Again, chrome and stainless, all in excellent shape. It is beautiful. Runs and drive excellent down the road, and it's an absolute rocket. It is definitely a fast car. And again, 67 true factory SS car. Not too easy to find these days. You can see it's got the crackers on it, but real nice. It's got a great stance. Just a gorgeous car, guys. Now, if you got any questions, you need any specific video or pictures, give me a call. My name is Matthew, 207-400-5326. I always pick up. And all the glass is nice. Everything works. Trunk is super, super clean. Nice spatter to it. And again, check out the pictures that accompany this video, because the underneath, guys, is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let's open up the interior. The door panels are nice. The seat upholstery is very nice. The back seat does have a tear in the seam, as you can see right there. Headline is real nice. Dash is nice. Carpet's nice. Console's nice. Fire it up for you guys. It's got a real nice sound. Sounds pretty mean. The video's not really going to do it justice, but it's got a great sound. 12-volt rear end. Again, beautiful underneath. Trunk is beautiful, nice spatter to it. And Granada Gold, guys, something you don't see all the time. Very unique color. Now again, if you got any questions, concerns, need any photos, video, anything like that, give me a call, 207-400-5326. We can get this shipped right to your door, so give me a call. We can get you a quote on that and get it shipped right out. And here at Barn Fresh Classics, we are not a consignment dealer, so we do go out and buy all these own vehicles with our own money. We go through them and we put them out for sale. This one is turnkey, guys. Absolutely turnkey, ready to ship right out to you. I'm telling you guys, beautiful, beautiful body and paint. No rust, no hacky patch jobs underneath. Real nice car, guys. Go ahead and pop the hood and take a look there. Under the hood, nice and clean. engine bay, very sanitary, very clean. Again, guys, if you have any questions at all, give me a call. My name is Matthew, 207-400-5326. 1967 Chevelle, true factory 138 code SS, 396 big block. It's backed by a Muncie M22 rock crusher. Absolute blast to drive, guys. Very, very fun car to drive. Don't miss out on this one, guys. Take care.